$55.
That was the $7 one. Oh God.
Oh
Get out of the way.
no.
Good Lord.
Woo.
I didn't pick this
I like
up.
his face when he's running. He's like,
I love this. Yes. Yes.
yeah, we're looking at about $400.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's about hit.
That about hit you in the head.
About hit you right in the head.
Oh. Wow. Oh. Ooh, glittery. All right.
Is it going to be one?
This is gonna be a big
ball?
one.
$30 right here.
Oh, geez.
Go.
How's this one bang? Damn.
All
There's a
right.
bunch in there.
Oh.
Oh, that was a big game.
Oh. Wow. That was good.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
The black crap was on there. I was so.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
This one said be 150 feet away.
Oh, God, there's so many for the driveway.
Ah! Cute.
Yeah, if you're about 2 foot tall, like, you know.
So cute.
Oh, that was.
That, wow.
Oh, he's a- Ooh, I got
Wow.
it on me.
Grand finale. Damn, that was up there.
Wow.
What's that one?
I don't know. 100 of those little whatever they are.
You go to the store and go, I want $100 worth of I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
Those are the ones that go, woo, pop. I'm not those. Those are purple.
Okay, here we go.
Uh-oh. One's even fall over.
Aww.
Oh, this is going to be a big bag of beer.
Probably.
Ooh,
Oh. Wow.
Look at his face.
Oh, look at his face!
Look at his face. He's possessed.
That's pretty cool.
Woo.
Yes,
I like
good
that.
choice, good choice. Uh-oh, oh
he's
no.
not done.
Oh no.
That's coming out of his arm.
Oh my God.
They're yellow. And maybe that's his picture of him. You gonna like that whole box?
This one worries me.
I think we better get up.
I think we better move back for this one.
That's a big one.
Oh, he's not gonna wait till we back up.
Where are you going, girls?
We're not sure.
We're not sure. Whoa.
Oh, maybe it's... Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. I knew it. Oh, God.
It's falling. It's fucking falling.
The shovel. Oh, no.
Get away from it.
And they laugh.
Why is it leaning over?
Don't touch it.
It moved.
It moved.
That's why you gotta use those bricks.
It was on the bricks. It danced around.
You're lucky that thing didn't fucking come this way.
I would have kicked it.
All right, let's see him.
It's still smoking and warm.
Come up to the camera. Back up a little. Hold him up.
Gingerbread boy. He's possessed. He'll be back tonight for you. Like, what was that?
You're giving me a flaming eyeball?
Charlie or what was
Oh, they're hot.
it? Flaming eyeball.
I got two eyeballs.